Hello, my YouTube fans. Today I'm going to use my Hoover. This is the Hoover I from its pit. It had a little body to it, like it had a bottom, but the bottom to that one, to this one it had was broken stuff, and the vacuum that this bomb has broke too, so I scrapped the other vacuum out and threw it up this bomb and put this bomb in this vacuum. Got this to work. It has the features it has is a nice cord. That's good. It has a petrol which I don't usually use those. Then it has two runs. Then you can take a minute. It has this. That's hose switch. Dave knows like an issue I use. It don't have it on after hose. That's I'm okay with that, but this vacuum here I use now, I looked at this part for vacuum. And the nice picked up cup with a washable footer. You know, it's good. Washable footer. I don't know if this comes out. I don't think this piece does. Nope. It has another photo which I don't know if we'll put stickers off or not. No. If this vacuum my hair, I will rate this circle 5 stars. My vacuum's not using here, guys. This was a review. It's many Hoovers. So if I get sponsored by this video from Hoover, you may sponsor me. I don't worry. If you class for that, you can sponsor me if you want to. You guys can visit on Facebook if you want to. I don't care, Hoover. Be my guest. Well guys, this is video of this vacuum. I am gonna do a vacuum video of this, and I'll do that in a few minutes. So it's this video. Thanks guys.